Hi friends, welcome back to my channel here at Glam Beauty 101, and today I wanted to do this really quick update on the Secret Buddy pocket letter exchange. I know we have said to send it out on the 10th or the 11th of December, but I know a couple of you ladies have let us know that you are going on vacation and things like that, so you decided to send it out before that time, which is good. But if you have already received those pocket letters, please ladies let us know so we can mark you off from our list. We know who has received it and who is still waiting to receive their pocket letter. Also, please let us know when you send it out. Please send us your tracking information. I will leave Jarissa's email here and her Facebook so you can go and send her the tracking number, so that way we can keep track of all the packages, just to make sure that nothing goes missing and make sure that everybody receives and sends out their pocket letter. And if you haven't confirmed with Jarissa, please contact her. Here's her email and her Facebook. Just let her know that you're still in, that you haven't dropped out. And well, ladies, don't forget to be creative. Have fun with this. I will catch you in the next one. Bye. Hola chicas, solo les quería dejar saber que si ya quieren mandar su pocket letter, ya lo pueden enviar. Muchas de las chicas nos han estado diciendo que lo van a mandar antes del 10 o 11 de diciembre porque van a salir de vacaciones. Así que si ustedes también lo quisieran enviar ya lo tienen listo, lo pueden enviar. Solo déjenos saber que ya lo van a enviar, y el día que lo manden, por favor mándenos el tracking number al correo electrónico que les voy a dejar aquí en pantalla o por Facebook, para que así nosotros también tengamos una forma de saber quién está por recibir su paquete. Y si ustedes han recibido su paquete, por favor también déjenos saber que ya lo recibieron para marcarlas de la lista. Y bueno chicas, pues muchas gracias por ser parte de este intercambio y hasta la próxima. Bye.